Okay guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to measure for curtains. A lot of times people don't know how to measure. They either end up making very short curtains or too long ones. So, to measure for curtains, I'm going to start from below. I like to start from the ground. So I stop, I put my tape right where I want it on the floor and measure all the way up where I want it. So, this is it. I wanted to stop here. This is 92 inches. I want to stop here. Stop it at 92 inches. Usually, I like the curtains to go all the way up to the ceiling. If it's in the living room window, I like it to go all the way up to the ceiling. But since we're just trying to learn how to measure, here is good. 92 inches. So it depends on what metric you use in your area. Some people use feet, some people use meters. Whatever measurements you use there, you measure and you write down your measurement. Always make sure to write down the measurements because you would forget. Trust me, you would forget. So up here we have 92, and then for the width, always ensure to leave a few inches before the door. Okay, right now we have 6 inches here. Ordinarily, this door is about 38 inches. So we add 5 or 6 inches to the left and the same to the right. So roughly this should be like 50 inches. That's what your curtain should look like. Always ensure you have that extra space at both sides so that the light wouldn't be coming in through any of the sides. And then again, one thing you should know is your curtain should be 3 times the size of your door or window. So here we have 38 inches. So the size of your curtain should be 38 times 3. That's the size of fabric that you should use. That's the quantity of fabric you should use. 38 times 3. What else do we need to know? I think that's it basically. And also, if you want your curtains to go, there are different styles of curtains, hanging curtains. Some people like it to go all the way down to kiss the floor. Some of us like it to scrub the ground. I don't like it. That's what you call puddle. People like it when it puddles. I don't like it. Some of people like it a little bit above the ground, maybe 2 or 3 inches out of the ground. Whatever style you want to use, always make sure that you measure the height you want first. And then you add maybe 6 inches, 6 to 12 inches if you want it to puddle. Add 6 to 12 inches if you want it to puddle. If you want it to be just a little bit above the ground, still measure your normal height and minus 2 inches so that it just be above the ground. But if you want it exactly right on the floor, just use the exact measurement that you measured earlier. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.